This is Brendan Stansfield with CS 3260, my final project, which is the lift tracker app. It's an app that tracks your 3 big lifts, the highest you've gone on each day you lifted them. So the app, for requirement 1, the document says it's supposed to accept weight in pounds and the date of the lift. It implements a home screen view with each of the 3 lifts as you see on the screen now. Each 3 lifts has a list view inside of it. That each item in that list can be tapped and edited. This goes along with requirement 4. There's also a delete confirmation dialog from the edit view where you can delete entries in the list. You can also add entries in that list view. The database will, or the program will store the list items in a database on preemption, and the research feature is graphs. So I'll demonstrate really quick. We'll go into bench press. I have some data in here now. We'll add a new one. It was 300 pounds, and it was listed on or lifted on January 1st, or we'll say 15th, 2022. Save. There it is. This can be edited to be put maybe the 10th. Save. That's been changed. You can also edit the weight. 310. Here's a graph view. Show the deletes. We can also delete with the confirmation dialog. It gets deleted from the list. The graph's also changed. And all 3 of the lists look like this. Squat and deadlift look the same as this. I will show now requirement 2, where it will store the items in the database on preemption. So here's the list now. I'll switch to a new one to show they all work. We're in deadlift. I'll add one that's 400 on March 24th, 2022. Save. It's been added. We'll close out of the app. Go back in. Still there. We'll completely close the app. Go back in. And it's still there. Requirement 3, I've shown buttons and I've shown lots of the views. There is a list view, multiple screens. Requirement 4 has also been shown with the add, deletes, and edits. Requirement 5, there's no warnings or errors. If we go in here, no build time errors, no runtime errors. It's all looking good. Requirement 6, here's my code, formatted. Comments where I thought were needed. Documented where I got the graphing, where I'm using or getting the Swift UI charts from for my graphs. Requirement 7 has been shown with preemption. And the research feature I've shown before, but it's just a graph. So here's the graph so far. If we remove one, let's remove this one. We'll show that the graph changes. Graph has changed. We add another one that's 10 pounds, make it really obvious that it's going to change. Go. Graph, it has been changed. And that's my final project. I'll show a squat that works as well since I didn't show it. It's a similar thing. This one's going to be green. Different graph. We can edit and we can delete. We'll delete. The graph should change a little bit. And that's my final project.